Not to get in an accident. Yin Yang. Ooh. And don't forget the wreck. We're gonna make it! So long, junk mail! Wait, what? Whoa!
Peter, what the hell is wrong with you? Spring break! Yeah!
I'm too nervous. They're celebrities. You talk to them.
Well, we'll dial them up when we get home.
What the hell are you talking about? We're about to... Oh, lullaby, baby. Oh, no, I'll never make it. Oh, man, I wish that. Better than sitting at home with a wife bored out of my... Sir, how long ago when your shifts...
Don't even think about running.
Sorry. Grasses, Steve, don't look! See, the lights are faded, and that heaven is... Schoolboys are for me. Red light. Finally coming around and seeing the value of a good, well thought out... What a light show! Ah, Stan's having an accident. Going a little fast for the turn, aren't you? Running messes up my knee. Walking is less stressful on my body. Oh, damn it, Asian! Here we are.
My bumper car's not working.
Punch it! No! You should punch it! The last one I switched it to meet brake!